right now we are experiencing, of course, some of the coldest air of the season. And if you're not dressed for the elements, there's no doubt you'll feel the cold. But as WISN 12 News meteorologist Chris Gloninger reports new at 6, when it's this cold, you might also hear it.
When it's this cold, you might hear your house making some funny noises. As structural engineer Larry Rutke explains, it all has to do with water.
The newer the house is, the more moisture is in the wood. And that moisture, again, will freeze and cause some expansion.
At 212 degrees, that's when water turns to vapor. At 32 degrees, that water freezes, and that's when it starts to make noise.
For houses made to code, that's not really a problem.
That's Marquette physics professor Chris Stockdale, who says, as unsettling as it sounds, your home can withstand the extreme cold. Listen to this.
Ice itself, when it first starts to freeze, it actually expands a little bit, which is why it sits on top of the water. And then as it gets colder again, it starts to contract.
So that's what you just heard before, and that's a noise you often hear ice fishing. Last year we reported on frost quakes. The moisture in the ground expanding in the cold, damaging one man's driveway.
Hopefully it won't be too bad this year because of the snowfall we've had.
Our snow this year is insulating the ground, so frost quakes shouldn't be a problem. In Milwaukee, Chris Gloninger, WISN 12 News.